Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily change your profile picture on Gmail. So what you want to do is click on your Gmail account, and right here you will have this button, the photo. You can select profile photo or just your photos and upload it. That's another way. Or you can go also through YouTube if you have a YouTube channel. I will switch account. For example, this one. And now I'm going to click edit profile picture. And right now click on it. And right now I can choose whatever profile picture I want. And wait for it. Here I go. Or this one again. This is logo I created. It's perfect. It's a Tao, man. Like being in a Tao. So this is how you can change your picture. Yeah, wait a second. We need to make it a little bit like this. Okay, now it's in the middle. Now this is perfect as it should be. So this is how you can change your profile picture in Gmail. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. And that's kind of it. Yep. Goodbye.